Vantiv is a payment processor that is planning to go public and raise $500 million. It was originally part of Fifth Third Bank. So Francis, taking a look at this company, and almost all the payment processor companies have done very well, but it's going up against some big names in its competition like Fiserv and even Visa.
Well, right. Well, it's very strong in the debit card processing. It's the largest debit card processor out there, and it works with Visa and MasterCard and does compete with them a little bit. It was kind of incubated by Advent, which is a private equity firm that would purchase it in 2009. And so the parent, Fifth Third, will own essentially 40% of it, and then the public vehicle will own about 60%. What's interesting about it is it has a single payment processing platform that nobody else seems to have right now. That means that they can process things faster and cheaper, which is important. They have a gross margin of about 53% recently. I think that stock will probably do well and edge up over time. It's a little bit complicated, but the institutions, like good, solid payment processing platforms like that.
Any concern about Dodd-Frank and the effect on the company?
Well, the whole regulation thing is put a crimp on everything. Well, they're regulated just like everybody else, and I thought that maybe their performance would be affected by what's happened in the last 6 months. But their sequential increase in quarterly sales continues. So somehow they're working in that system, and they've adapted to it. So if they price this properly, it'll be okay, and it's a little complicated. It's not a retail stock. It's not like a cloud stock. It's not like a social networking stock. They don't have a big base of retail enthusiasts out there. So whoever buys the stock will have looked at it pretty carefully, and I think the underwriters recently have been pricing IPOs to favor the investors, probably because the Dow is above 13,000, and it kind of heats up the IPO market, and they want to earn their green shoe.
All right, well, if you feel like you've missed Visa or MasterCard or even Fiserv, you could probably look at Vantiv as a way to get into payment processors.
This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to